Here we will see working with waveforms in ASP.NET. ASP.NET Waveform is a part of the ASP.NET Web Application Framework. Waveforms are pages that user requests using the browser. These pages can be written using a combination of HTML, client script, server control, and server code. When user requests a page, it is compiled and executed on the server by the framework, and then framework generates the HTML markup that the browser will display. Main purpose of waveforms are separation of HTML interface from application logic, a rich set of server-side controls that can detect the browser and send out appropriate markup language such as HTML. Less code to write due to the data binding capabilities of the new server-side .NET controls. It provides event-based programming language, and it uses compiled code and support for multiple languages. The components of waveforms are made up of two parts. One is visual portion, that is design page with extension .aspx, and the logic, that is code behind, which resides in separate class. Now we'll see visual portion, that is .aspx file. The visual element is a waveform page. This page consists of a file with static HTML or ASP.NET Server controls or both. The web page works as a container for the static text and the controls that will display on the browser. And the code behind file is the logic for the web page consists of a code that we create to interact with the form. The programming logic is placed in a separate file from the user interface. This file is a code behind file, and it may be aspx.vb for VB.NET and aspx.cs for C#.